Congratulations on your acceptance to SVSU. Now that you've received your acceptance letter, it's time to create your SVSU profile. Accessing this profile does not in any way commit you to SVSU if you're not ready to make a decision yet. It just gives you access to all the information you need over the next few months to proceed with your next steps, like scholarships, your financial aid award letter, orientation, and more. Make sure you create this profile as soon as you can so you don't miss out on any important information or updates. When you first create your SVSU profile, make sure you have your paper or electronic acceptance letter with you because you will need some of the information that's in it. In this letter, you'll find your SVSU email and student ID number. You first need to change your password to create your profile. To do so, click on the Create Profile button on our Next Steps webpage. This will bring you to a Microsoft login page. Don't worry, this is still SVSU. We just use Microsoft as our email platform. Make sure you click on Use Another Account. Then, type in the SVSU email given to you in your acceptance packet. Don't try to use one of your pre-existing email accounts because it won't work here. This will take you to a Change Password page. You will need to put in your old password, which is a temporary password we have created for you. This password can be found in your acceptance letter. Once you input your temporary password, choose your new password. Make sure it is secure and something you can easily remember because you will be using this to log into everything for SVSU. Click Submit and you will see your Microsoft profile page. Now, go to your student portal at my.svsu.edu. This portal will be your access point for everything SVSU and is connected to your SVSU email. Make sure you are checking it at least once a week so you don't miss out on any important information. If you have any trouble setting up your profile, please text our admissions office at 989-342-1033 or email us at admissions@svsu.edu. Once you've completed this first step, you can now move on to Step 2 to learn more about the financial aid options we have available at SVSU.